Magandang umaga everyone! Today, we're off to one of my favorite spots here in Serpentine, Western Australia, Serpentine Dam. Sumama kayo sa akin as we drive through Kingsbury Road. Look at the beautiful trees and nature here. Oh, yan no. Look at the sky. The sky is so blue. Tingnan niyo naman yung mga puno sa paligid namin dito. They are not fruit-bearing trees, pero still, ang ganda sa paningin. And then, if you will smell the air here, ang sarap amuyin ng simoy ng hangin. Such a peaceful drive, perfect to start our adventure. Nakikita nyo ba ito? We're now crossing the Serpentine Dam Bridge. Ang ganda ng view dito, especially siguro kapag yung weather, yung maliwanag, makikita nyo napaka-vivid ng colors. But right now, so far, breathtaking pa rin naman, breathtaking sight, especially kumbaga hindi mainit, pero right now, napakalamig, I'm telling you. Malapit na tayo guys. Aside from Serpentine Dam, excited ako dito. Dito ako kayo dadalhin. We're almost at Bistro by the Dam. Super excited ako kasi I've been here 2 years ago. And it's one of the best spots for breakfast. They open at 8 o'clock in the morning and closes at 3 p.m. For those who would like to ask, dogs are prohibited in this area. I don't know the reason, but I think one of the reasons is poisonous yung mga halaman dito. Baka kasi yung mga pet nyo mahilig mag-bite-bite, alam mo na. So actually dala nga namin yung aso namin today, pero we will just keep him in the car. So iwan na naman namin siyang safe, tsaka makakahinga siya. So this place, sobrang relaxing ng place na ito, and wait till you see the inside of the bistro and of course the food. Now we're finally here. Welcome to Bistro by the Dam. Pasok tayo and I'll give you a quick tour. If you can. Let's ask first. Ano yan? Wala kami dalang cash. Nice. Hi, good morning. So what do you want to order, Papa? What are you ordering, Papa? Ang ganda nga eh. Nice experience. Tayo, love. Oh, diba? So that we can have a beautiful view. Oh my God, look at that. morning. Hello. Let us here.
Sumuha na itong cafe by them. Pwede ko palang bumaba dyan mamaya eh.
Thank you. Ganda ba? Asan na ba? Ah, ayun. Yung black ba? Saan na?
Umalis ka.
Diba? Ganda rito, Rob, no?
Mamaya, pwede tayong bumaba rin.
Now, it's time for us to order our breakfast. But of course, we have to check the menu first. So, what are you going to order? I'm going to place my order. Yeah, I would like to order for pancakes and one big breakfast, and the egg would be scrambled egg.
Are you singing song?
What is it, sorry?
You singing song?
Yeah, number 5.
So pancakes. Do you need bacon with that?
I don't think we have bacon already, right? Oh no, we don't have bacon yet in the big breakfast.
Big breakfast has bacon, yes.
It has.
Yes.
Maybe I'll add another.
Add another bacon?
Yeah. And then, you get a chai with turmeric, was it?
I do. Yep, I do have turmeric pie.
Yeah. And
With almond milk?
In a mug?
Yeah.
Yeah, in a mug. And then, I'll have hot chocolate, please. Do you have white chocolate?
No, I
Hot
don't.
chocolate, hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate in a mug as well?
In a mug. That would be all.
Yes.
No, when we saw this guy.
No, you're fine. Oh, good, oh, good. Altogether 73.30.
Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
No.
No,
All right.
right.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I'll do all that for you.
Thank you so much. I added additional bacon pa.
Thank you.
Added bacon.
Wow, ang sarap
Then I'm
naman.
going to sit down.
Thank you.
How's your experience here?
Great.
Interviewin ko ang asawa ko. Gandang-ganda siya dito, di ba? Yeah. This is such a lovely place. Oh, di ba? Hello. Nice. Kita mo ba yan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we have another
No,
plate?
what?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Extra
Thank
plate?
you. Okay, that's our order. Yeah. Ay, look at that. Kita mo ba yan? Yummy.
Kaya mag-organic. Ito natin daw.
Bagus niya kahira rin. I check if they serve dinner.
I'm waiting for
Oh.
I'm terrible at writing.
Mga alam ko
Nagkiripian mo sila. We can bring her here for lunch or ano. No? Sarap. Hindi ako mag-bread pa lang.
Ano?
Wala ako mag-bread.
Isa lang naman eh.
Lagyan mo ako with butter.
Ito to. Basta hindi marami, okay lang yun. Ano yung sarili mo na basta hindi lang marami.
Ito lang ba yung butter yung binigay?
Isa lang.
Ang kapal ng bread nila. Ito mo yan?
Kaya nga eh. Kaya hindi mo kailangan ubusin lahat ng bread na yun. Kapal yun.
Gulit ako kapal ng bread. Kung tingnan mo yung bread mo. Saka dati kasama ko mga apo ko. Diba? Anong gusto mong tawag siya, Lolo?
Grandpa.
Grandpa. Without D, ah. Without D. Ako kaya. Granny. Nanay.
Mami.
Mami. Ako naman si Mami ko. Si Grandpa ako si Ayan.
Lagi na rin ako.
Ano? Ang daddy ka na rin. Ay! Alam na. Anong turo natin sa kanila? Thank you. How does it get any better than that? What would you say again? Ganun. Sarap. Ito po experience.
Diba? Sa akin, marami to eh. Sa akin na Diyos na happy na tayo.
Tama siya. Serve na sila ng water dito.
Wala ko. I think meron sila bottle na wala ko na. Kakain ka ba ng hash brown?
Hindi.
Hindi na nga ulit.
Hindi mo na bacon. Ang salad pa pala. Okay naman yung bacon labo. Ang big mabiling bacon. Break. Bili mo nga sa nito.
Ano yan?
Filled bacon and egg. With additional bacon. Scrambled egg din. Ako na?
Okay.
Hindi, ako na.
Pag na.
Let's take a quick tour outside. Ang ganda ng paligid dito. You can see the dam and the beautiful nature around. Perfect place to relax and enjoy the view after a hearty breakfast. Thank you. Yes.
Sabi sa kaliwa. Tingnan na natin.
We're heading back now. But look at this view again. Hindi talaga nakakasawang tingnan. Thank you for joining us today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our little adventure to Serpentine Dam and Bistro by the Dam. Until next time, ingat kayo! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Bye for now!